Hi guys, it's Mimi. I'm coming on today to share a Michaels haul with you. Last week they had the 60% off recollection stickers and washi tape coupon, so I ordered some things online. I got a gift card for my birthday from my Aunt Nancy, so thank you, Aunt Nancy. I spent half of it not today, but like in my order, so I'm going to show you all of that today. And then I got another gift card from my friend Sarah, and she for Michaels, and she gave me $25, so now I have $75 more to spend at Michaels. So I'm going to be doing another haul, but I'm just waiting to spend this coupon. I don't see it on my table. I thought I had it on my table, but I was going to show you guys. But I have a 25% off your regular and sale price purchase coupon, so I've been waiting to use that. Like, I've had it for like a month now, and I've really been like trying not to go to Michaels because I'm trying to wait to use that coupon. I want to spend my gift card and spend my money on that stuff. But like I said, I spent $50, well $54 including tax, but I spent $50 on all of these items, and I think, I don't know how much I got, but you guys can tell me at the end of the video how many items I bought. And yeah, I got a lot of stuff, so I'm really excited to show you, and I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing's kind of boring. It's just this Express It tape. It is double-sided tape. This is the 1/4 inch size, and this was only $1.99. I wrote down all the prices so you guys could see. I used a 50% off coupon on this, so I had the 60% off stickers, and then I had a 50% off one regular price item. So I got this, and I was expecting it to be like a really small roll, like maybe that much, and it's actually huge. Like, this is a 55 yard roll, and I didn't realize how long 55 yards was. Like, I guess it's long when you think about it. But this is what it says on the back. It says that it's extra strong, instant bond, heat resistant, ideal for embossing. So you could put this down and then rip off the, like, what do you call this? The, like, I don't know, this paper backing, and then rub some embossing powder onto it, and then heat it up and have like a nice strip of embossed powder. So I think that would be really cool. But again, I got the 1/4 inch size, and this was only $2. Regularly it's $4, and even then that's a great deal because I order from Amazon this tape, and I got, I think it was a smaller roll. Like, I don't remember it being this big, but I could have just used it up and just never noticed. But I remember it being like $5 for one roll, so this is actually a really good deal. So if you see this tape, you can go ahead and get it, and especially for 50% off, I recommend it. The next item I got, and I have the price right here, it was $4.49. This is a shaker, like, I don't know, what do they call it? Just shaker shapes, but it's just a bunch of shapes of glitter. There's yellow, blue, orange, peach, green, pink, and then we're back to yellow. So, oh, and teal. I don't know, did I start there? I don't know, but you see the colors, and they're just a bunch of shapes, and I really like these. I have the, like, metallic one, like the copper, gold, silver, and, like, iridescent one, and I really like them for shakers and just things like that. So I got this for $4.49. I think the glitter and stuff was just on sale, so that's why I bought it. But again, I just really like it. I think it's really cute. And then, like I said, the 60% off coupon, all of this stuff was covered under that, so I got 60% off everything. So I picked up a couple of these washi tapes. This one was $2. Well, they were all $2. So there's this one, and the name is, I think this was Pink Patchwork or something like that. Again, I ordered, I don't know if I said that, so maybe not again, but I ordered all of this online. So it just came in today. That's why I waited so long to film this. But this is the Pink Patchwork tape. I also got this tape. It's narrow. It was $2. Just some fun geometric shapes. And I got all of these besides one to send out in Happy Mail because everybody's been sending me really cool stuff, and I don't have really cool stuff to send out. So I used this coupon to stock up on things I could send out as Happy Mail. So I got this one. And then I also got this one to send out. I think that's really pretty. Just some pastels and gold washi tape. And then I got this one for myself. It's just purples. I don't have a lot of purple stuff, so I decided to get this for only $2. I thought that was a good deal. And there's 3 different colors of purples, which is really nice. And I really love this one. I think that's really pretty. But got that. And then the washi tape tubes were, I don't know if they were 60% off, like just on a sale, or if they were on sale for $4.49. I can't remember. But I got this tube of washi tape for $4.49, and my plan is to like divide it up and send it out in Happy Mail as well, like maybe put in embellishment boxes or something. But I told myself no washi tape because besides this one, because I have so much already, so I just wanted the purple one. This was $4.49, and it's got some really pretty tapes in there, and I'm just gonna either split it up or maybe I'll send it out as one. But got that. And now we're getting into the stickers. This one was $1.20. I'm going to be sending this out in Happy Mail. And I don't have, some of these, I don't have anybody specific to send them out to yet, but I just thought they were really pretty and would be nice to stock up on, like I said. So I got that. This one was also $1.20. I'm in a swap with somebody from Hawaii, so I'm just gonna send them some. I have this pack and then another pack of Hawaii stickers, and I just thought it'd be fun. I don't know if she'll think it's fun because she lives in Hawaii, but I thought it was fun while I was ordering it, so I got some Hawaii stickers for her. This pack was only $1, so that's a really good deal. That's like getting it from the dollar store, and they're Michael's quality. Well, I don't know. They're pretty much the same quality. They're those little puffy stickers, but I got these to send out in Happy Mail as well for only $1. These cute little flamingos were only $1.20, and I already have some from Hobby Lobby, so I'll probably send these out in Happy Mail too. But some of them have little googly eyes on them. Isn't that really cute? So I got these. This pack of turtle stickers was $1.60, and they are dimensional. You can kind of tell, I think. But they were $1.60, and that's a really good deal for this many stickers, and they're really cute. These ones I definitely got for myself. They were $1.60. They're just like enamel dots, but like a blingy kind. And you get 72 of them in there, and I got them for $1.60. I got some just basic white, I was gonna say black, basic white block letters, and you get 160 letters, so I don't know how many of each letter there is, but you also do get some symbols in there, and the do you get numbers? No, those are not numbers, but you do get symbols in there as well, and it was $1.40 for all of these, and they're actually not, the sticker isn't the black outline, it's just the the cut edge, and the letters are just white, so those are really nice and pretty simple. Now these were a little depressing. I paid $1.79 for these, and now that I see them, I remember seeing them in store and thinking, those are so small, why would you buy those? But online they looked like kind of big and really cute, so I wanted them, but now that I see them, I would not have paid $1.79 for these. But now that I have them, they are pretty cute and they do pop up, so I'll find something to do with them. This is the other pack of Hawaii stickers I got for my swap partner. These were $1.60, so really good deal, and they're really nice quality stickers. And yeah, this one's like fabricy, and that one is too. And this one has like some weaving on there, so that's really cool for only $1.60. I got some little flip-flops for $1.60. I think those are really cute. This pack was also $1.60. I know it is probably for babies, but it doesn't have anything baby on it, and they're just really cute little animals, so I picked these up. I might send them out or I might keep them, I'm not sure, but I got those. I got these for $1.60. I just thought they were really cute and pretty basic, and I really like flowers. I think flowers just go with every project. I don't know if anybody else is like that, but glitter and flowers go with everything. Next, I got these enamel dots. They were $1.60. I don't really use enamel dots a lot, but I did get some in a swap. So I'm just gonna, I wanted to kind of grow my collection a little bit. And I think they're really fun. I think I ordered some from AliExpress too, so if I did, I'll show you guys those when they come in. But I just got some pastel enamel dots. I got some mermaids for $1.60. They're really cute, and they are like puffy enamel stickers. So those are cute. These ones were only $1.20, and they're like puffy dog stickers, and they all have, well, not all of them, but some of them have googly eyes, so I don't know if you can see them wiggly around, but I thought these were really cute, so I picked them up for only $1.20. And I did get another pack of those flower stickers, but in the pastel colors. Like I said, flowers go with everything, and so does glitter. These were an amazing buy. These were only $1.60, and look at the quality of these stickers. Look at how cute this Ferris wheel is. They are dimensional. I just thought these were so cute, and I loved the Ferris wheel. I thought that was so adorable. So I picked them up, and again, for only $1.60, that is such a good deal, this coupon. If you missed out, I'm sorry, but I know they'll have it again. So when they have it again, make sure you take advantage of it, because this is a great price to stock up on everything. Next, I got these ones for $1.60. They just have, they're each partners, which I didn't realize, but they each have, two, here's a fox, and then there's the partner fox. I guess I didn't have to explain that, but they're really cute, so I got them. And then the last pack of stickers I got under this coupon was this pack, or I got two of them actually, and these were only $1.10. I don't know why, I don't know what the original price was that made them $1.10, because in my receipt feed thing it says $3.20 for the two of them. So I got these for $1.10, and I got two because I'm making a project which you will see tomorrow, and I want to make one for my Aunt Nancy, so I'm gonna make one with the sticker pack, and then I'm also gonna send her a sticker pack just because I thought these were too cute with the what do you call this? Suitcases. So I just thought these were really cute, and she should have some too if I use them. So I got 2 of them. And then last but not least for Michaels, I picked up, well, let me take this off. I just put all the prices on these little post-its so I knew. But I got these Easter stickers for only $1.49. I could not get over these little bunnies, and there is like a boy bunny in here with a carrot, and I thought they were so cute. And you don't have to use these for Easter, just the eggs are Easter themed, but even then, like, eggs are kind of springy, I guess you could try. But I picked these up for only $1.49. I think Easter was 40% off, that's why they were $1.49, but those are really cute, and if I can get some more when Easter stuff goes on sale, I'm definitely going to, because those are really cute. So, but that is everything I got from Michaels. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything I got, and like I said, next time they have a 60% off coupon on all this stuff, make sure you take advantage of it, because you can get some really great deals, and this, you can't get this stuff at the dollar store. Like, they're not going to be this quality, and for only 60 cents more, a really good deal, guys. I cannot say it enough. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below which pack of stickers was your favorite, and also, did you keep track of how many I bought? If you did, let me know. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.